Hello, welcome to Miemie's Keepsakes. I'm Arnell. I am back with a design team project for Rach and Bella Crafts, and I am using the Truly Blue kit. They are doing a collaboration again this month. It started on the 14th of August and will run till the 15th of September. And it's called Be Summer Inspired, and she's using the Truly Blue kit. Her new summer kit, I will link that in the description box, as well as Nana's Roses. I did not participate in that because of my situation with my house, so hopefully next time I can follow or join in, but I will be following along and maybe do a video or maybe something else, not sure yet, depending on how my day go. I just quickly want to show you this kit again. I love this kit, love the blues and the yellows, and the images is just gorgeous. So it's Truly Blue, and it's on Rach and Bella's Etsy shop, and this is like the collage pages. I love that. And then, as you can see, there's also pages like that you could either cut up, make tags, or even make a tall skinny journal, like this one as well. And then with this one, same thing, it can be like for a tall skinny journal, or you can do this and just put a pocket there with the birdie is kind of upside down. And another beautiful page. And then some envelopes, and then the backgrounds are just as pretty. Like, even if you just buy this part of the kit, you can do a lot with it. It's just a beautiful, beautiful blue and just soft yellow, so it is absolutely pretty. There might be some of the pages missing because I didn't want to print everything again. I already printed it 3 times, and I keep playing with it because I have all these papers and it's so pretty and cheerful. It just feels like summer. And then fussy cuts, the fussy cut, definitely not all the pages are here. There's the birdies, and then there's flowers, and there's mason jars, and some butterflies and wings and all kinds of things. But I just thought, at least this gives you an idea of the kit if you want to go to the shop on Etsy and see. You can see the entire kit there, or I can link my video for last month's design team project. I did a full flip through even with the freebies on that video. I'll try to remember. So I did this. It's a little concertina journal. Never made one, so this was a lot of fun to make, and I have very limited supplies, so it was definitely fun and challenging all at the same time. So I have this closure here. It's just a piece of yarn, and I got this beautiful brooch at the flea market last week, I think. Okay, can't get it off, so let's take this off and just show you the brooch on here. Don't want to fight with that. It's just, I don't know if it's like shell or something. Yeah, I just love it. And then this image is just, she is just beautiful. And I fussy cut the flowers out from the main pages and just kind of added all of this together with some cheesecloth that I dyed with the distress ink. It's prize ribbon, and just sewed on there. And then I just made a little dangle, and these teeny tiny yellow butterflies I got from the dollar store years ago, and I still had a couple left, so I thought let's add that. And then on to the first page. This is just so pretty. I absolutely love this image. so it had to be on the first page. And there is, I made a little collage here and a lace tab and some journaling on the back, and then just a vintage French invoice or receipt or something, not sure, can't read French. Oh, maybe it's a telegram, is that what it says? Yeah, it's a telegraphs, or maybe telegram, I don't know. French people, help me out please. But there's writing space on the back as well. I mean the pockets already cover a lot of this, but I didn't want to take some of this up by adding writing paper on here, so you'll have to write on all the tabs and little things in here. And then just a little bit of lace there, and we made this the master boards in my previous video, and I just added some of the labels and some of the fussy cuts. That's one of the pages that I didn't show you. And on the back there's again a coffee dyed tag, and then in this side pocket there is this envelope, and I did not glue it down because look at all that writing space there. And I did in the front of the envelope just added this flower fussy cut. I don't think I showed you the flowers either. And then just a piece of scrap paper there behind the flower to decorate that. And then again, I couldn't cover this beautiful image. I did just add a tag here that she not a label that from the label page. I didn't show you the label page either, but that's with the fussy cuts, beautiful labels. You could possibly write in here with a felt tip pen if you want to write over this beautiful image, but it's possible. And then in here we just have a small little booklet that I just stapled together with a little bit of lace on the top, and just that is from the background pages. And I just added some of my black olive dyed papers and some coffee dyed papers that didn't particularly came out perfectly, so I used that in here. And this one is a better lace print, and that is from the black olive papers as well that I dye with just a lace print on top. And then this little journaling card is also from that masterboard we made. I'll add that video in the description box as well. And just one of the flower fussy cuts, and in behind just some lace and a little bit of scrap paper as a tab. And so then we go over to the other side of the concertina, and here I just cut out, this is again just one from the main kit, and I just cut it smaller for a journaling card, and I mounted it on a coffee dyed file folder, and just a little bit of lace in the back, and a lace coffee dyed lace pocket here. And just look at this beautiful butterfly. I just love that butterfly. Okay. And then over here this would be paper clipped in from the back, and so I just added a yellow butterfly on the flap of this envelope. And again, this was just the last little bit of that masterboard, and I just put a little bird on that branch there, and I printed the birds 6 to a page for this size, so they're really small but just perfect. And then again, this image is just so pretty with a little birdie on this beautiful teacup and the yellow roses in the back. There is definitely some writing space there if you want to. And then I just made this side pocket, and again that's from the flower fussy cuts in this kit, and the birdie on there again with some lace and some of the labels. And then I just made a little booklet with some of that same pages that I dyed. And if you flip this over, there's a belly band, And then it's just a vintage envelope that I just added some of that dyed cheesecloth again, one of the labels, and a little bit of lace. And then on the belly band itself there's a little cluster here with the another little birdie, and on here I have a vintage receipt again that has a lot of writing space in the back. Just be careful, it is fragile. And this butterfly, a little bit of lace, that's just the paper from my glue book that I kind of put the cheesecloth on to dye it, and I just used that as well. And then the label, and oh, on the back I made a little cluster with the birdies again, a label and lace. And as you can see, there's writing space here. I didn't want to cover all of it because it just gives you writing space again. And then the last little bit of the papers are in here, of my dyed papers. And then I've used 3 pages in here. They're just kind of scattered in the journal for you to write on. And then we're back to the front. So that is my design team project for this month. I will be playing along with Rach and Rachel and the rest of the people in the collaboration that is participating. You can I'll link the hashtag in the description box if you want to go see what everybody else is doing and what's happening with that. It is a lot of fun. And hopefully I can follow along and finish some of the projects and show you a little later on about that. So thank you very much for watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe, like, and leave a comment. I would appreciate that a lot. So I will see you again soon, and have a lovely day. Bye.